The Métis Nation of Saskatchewan is part of a new collaboration to address homelessness in the Battlefords area. Joining me to talk a little bit more about this new collaboration is the Director of Housing for the Métis Nation of Saskatchewan, Christina Conrad. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Before we talk in particular about what this collaboration means, I was just going to ask if you could kind of go into some of the background of the situation in the Battlefords area.
So I guess M&S is committed to seeking solutions on homelessness all across the province. And systemically, jurisdictions sometimes get in the way of actually addressing the homelessness real needs. So before this partnership was established, the Lighthouse was providing homelessness services not only in Saskatoon, but also North Battleford. Partnerships for homelessness to be effective have to happen. So this is a really good partnership to make sure that systems are in place and everyone's on the right page to serving that population.
Can you talk to me a little bit more about this partnership and what it means for addressing homelessness in the Battlefords area?
Yes, I can. So the effect is definitely going to be positive. The partnership will be able to outline what services already exist in all jurisdictions and work together to fill the gaps that exist to make it more effective on the community. So for example, the Friendship Center provides a lot of services. The Lighthouse also has services in place, and then how the health district and how police services also, and the First Nations and M&S all combined, what do each one of us partners bring to the table so that we're not repeating or duplicating services and being more efficient with our government dollars and doing it the right way.
Who's all a part of this collaboration?
The new partnership has been established with Battleford Agency Tribal Council, the Métis Nation Saskatchewan, the City of North Battleford, and of course the Lighthouse Supported Living.
And then I wanted to talk a little bit about the challenges when it comes to addressing homelessness in a more rural setting, because obviously homelessness exists everywhere across the country, across the province. But when it comes to addressing it in a more rural setting, what are some of the bigger challenges?
The biggest challenge in a rural setting is access to services and access to healthcare, transportation to the services that are needed. Yeah, those are the major hurdles. Yeah. Also, with those small rural communities, just like North Battleford, just like Meadow Lake, La Ronge, those are I would say like a hub of where citizens go to get the closest access to services. I think that's the most challenging thing, is to getting access to services.
Obviously, this partnership, this new collaboration is fairly new, but looking ahead, what do you hope comes out from this?
A lot of homeless providers are already working in one of the hardest sectors, and seeking funding on an annual basis is just puts another barrier in providing services. It's hard to keep staff, educated and experienced staff employed with year-to-year dollars coming in. So moving forward, a more sustainable long-term solution to homelessness, that's my hopes for moving forward in any city, in any small community serving that population, is long-term solutions and access to a holistic approach to homelessness. Language and culture, health services, social services, childcare, mental health and addiction services. The list goes on. Homelessness is not just about housing. It's about, housing is just the social determinant of health. So once we got housing, then healthy Métis families and healthy Saskatchewan moving forward.
Well, thank you so much for taking some time to talk with me. And it was great to learn a little bit more about this collaboration and how you guys are hoping to improve things in North Battleford area.